Teacher, I think you muted yourself.
Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay, so if you want to identify or justify whether the market share, the market structure of the firm is oligopoly or not, you can use the 5-firm concentration ratio to justify your answer. Okay, like for instance, for this slide is showing the market share for the petrol retailers in UK, right? And the company with the highest market share is Tesco, 16.2%. And the second biggest firm is BP, 15%. Okay, if you try to sum up the first 5 firms with the highest market share, you may find that it's more than 50%, right? 16.2% plus 15% plus 13.4 plus 11.4 plus 10.2. If you sum up this 5 market share percentage, it's more than 50%, which is equal to about 66%. Okay, so from there we can conclude that the petrol retailers in UK, okay, is having the oligopoly market structure because the 5-firm concentration ratio is 66%, which is more than 50%. Yeah. So we can conclude in UK, the petrol retailers industry is belong to oligopoly market structure. Okay, so this is how you justify, by using the market share. Okay, now I go back to the instruction for the assignment. Okay, so I think I'll just start until question C. Question C. Okay, question C. What do you need to cover then? Let me go back to the share information. Okay, so for C is you need to identify which market structure does the firm fit into, whether it's perfect competition, monopolistic, oligopoly, or oligopoly. All right, and when you do the discussion, right, you have to cover all of the discussion for market structure. Let's say now, okay, let's assume that you believe that the firm that you choose is belong to monopolistic. Let's say if you belong to monopolistic, and then you have to justify why the firm is belong to monopolistic. All right. Then after that, you also have to discuss why the firm is not belong to oligopoly, why the firm is not belong to monopoly, and also not belong to perfect competition market. 10 marks. So that means, right, for each market structure justification, you need to cover about 2.5 marks for each market structure justification. 2.5 marks. So for part C, you need to discuss all. Okay, you need to cover all of the market structure discussion in order to get full mark of 10. So clear about this, because I think some of the students email me on how to answer C. Okay, so in order to get full mark, you need to discuss all of the market structure justification. So similarly, if you think that the firm is belong to oligopoly market, then you need to justify why. Okay, why the firm is under the oligopoly market structure. Then after that, discuss why do you think that the firm is not belong to perfect competition, not belong to monopoly, not belong to monopolistic. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so for D and E, we can discuss again in the next tutorial session on Monday. On Monday, we're going to discuss if we got free time. Otherwise, we can discuss on Wednesday coming week for D and E. Okay, or also C, maybe we can discuss again. Okay, so maybe at the moment you can start to do A, B, A and B first, and slightly of C. Okay, D and E you can discuss again in the next lesson. Okay. Yeah, so it's already 1 o'clock. I think most of you already hungry. Yeah. Okay, so I will just call a day. All right. Thank you for your participation for today's tutorial. I think no other question. All right. So I'll see you on Monday. Coming Monday. at 4 o'clock. Okay. I think we just called there, huh? Right? No. Okay.
So,
Yeah. Yeah, Carissa.
do we have the chance to show you? Do we have the chance to show you what we've done in the future?
Oh, yeah, correct. Yeah. Other way is you can have appointment with me. Okay. For each of the group, right? Maybe you already drafted your write-up. If you want to show your write-up, probably can have a separate appointment with me through Microsoft Teams. You can email me for appointment, and then we can meet through Microsoft Teams by using this link on other day. You can choose a day, then we can discuss together. I mean, for each team, different team. You can.
All right, thank you.
Okay. All right. So yeah, I'll see you on Monday. All right. And then we can have further discussion again. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. See you. Okay. I'll stop recording.
Thank you. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.